Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna do an updated version of the Firestick settings video. Not that these settings include Amazon's whacking you and you know the video that's playing there, guys. We're gonna turn that off, folks. Okay, guys. When you're ready, let's get started.
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizard's channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And join his Telegram group. But if you want to join the Telegram group, make sure you have a picture icon and read the rules.
So let's get to it, guys. So most of you by now will have the Amazon update, guys, unless you have a really old Amazon device. Okay, so all I do to make any changes of these settings is go to the gear icon. Once you're there, the first one we're going in is preferences. And then we'll go to privacy settings. Within privacy settings, all these three are on, folks. We wanna turn them off. So device users, data users, use personal data connected by the operating system of this device, marketing and product improvement purposes. We want to turn this off, guys. None of their business. Connect app uses data, and now App Store to connect information on the frequency, and duration of use of downloaded apps. Turn this off, folks, because they can see what you're doing on those third-party apps. Interspace as let's use it using your so-called advertising ID to make Amazon adverts. We want to turn this off too, folks. And then we're gonna go back. These are the most important ones, folks, if you didn't know. Not just turned off. Let's go back one. Data monitoring. Now this apparently monitor data consumption on your 4K Firestick. So what this does is tells you how much data you're using, and we don't need this, folks, because what if Amazon can see that data, folks? So make sure that's off. It should be by default. Go back, go to notification settings, and here, do not interrupt. We want to turn this on, folks, because Amazon if you turn do not interrupt on, you won't get interrupted by notifications. Okay, so app notifications, turn all these off, folks. So go by one, turning them all off, because they can push notifications without your knowledge, folks. Go back again, featured content, and now video auto play. Also, this is that banner I showed you at the home screen a few minutes ago. So we want to turn both of these off, because it just takes up bandwidth, folks. Let's go back. Sync recent content. You may want this with Wine Video. I don't use Wine Video, so for no reason I'm turning that off, so that process doesn't on the background. Time zone, I like mine 12-hour time, not 24-hour. You may be different. Metric units, so this item is I don't really need that. Let's turn that off. Let's go up to applications, App Store, automatic updates, turn that off, because you don't want Amazon updating your Amazon apps again without your knowledge. App purchases, turn that off. If you don't use in-app purchases or you don't pay for apps, and notifications, turn that off. Amazon photos, again, turn these off. Like, by default, they're enabled like this, folks. You wanna turn them both off. So off, access photos, disable. That is of course if you don't use photos, turn these off. If you use photos, keep them on. Game Circle, I don't know if you guys like the Amazon games. I don't. For no reason, I'm gonna turn that off. And while you're here, guys, go to manage the installed apps and just near the cast on all of them, folks. So let's go to this one, for example. I can force stop it and near the cast there, folks. So 23 meg, let's force stop it, then near the cast. Boom, it went down to 0 bytes, folks. So that's what you should be doing on the regular basis. Let's go back again. Back one more time. now it's just a bonus tip. Display and audio. Screensaver. I like to send the time to never. By default, it will be on 5 minutes. So thanks not to never, because the screensaver does take up no bandwidth. Display color depth. I like the things the 12 bits if your TV supports it. Confirm. Go back. Audio. Navigation sounds. Every time you press a button, folks. I mean, every time, folks. So we wanna turn the navigation sounds off, unless you like it. I honestly hate them. Turn them off. Silence. Go back. That's basically it. We've done the application. Yeah. So that's basically it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. One more thing as well, folks. Go back to your settings. My Fire TV. Developer options. If you wanna install any of those third-party apps, turn both of these on. Turn them on, folks. Also, that's it for today's video, folks. If you have enjoyed it,
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizards channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And join his Telegram group. But if you want to join the Telegram group, make sure you have a picture icon and read the rules.
okay guys, until next time, bye.